Hey guys, this is how to cut videos or trim videos down in Canva. So I have this video template right here that's already pre-made from Canva, and I'm gonna use it to demonstrate to you how you can cut videos or trim videos down. So this is if you have a part in your video that you don't want, or if you feel like the video is a bit too long, so you can just cut pieces of it down or trim it down. So let's use this first snippet for example. So let's say I want to trim the first part, so I don't want the first part to appear. So like Instagram and like all the other photo or video driven apps, you can just drag the end and just drag it till till the part that you want to cut. So let's drag it all the way over here. So I cut the first part. Now, what if I want to cut a part that's in the middle of the video? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select that part. Let's say it's this part. And then I'm gonna click on split page. Then select the end of the part that you want to cut. Let's say this part. Then split page. Then just delete the middle part. So just select it and hit delete. And you're all set. This is how easy it is. Hope that video is helpful.